In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a connection request on LinkedIn. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, connecting with others on LinkedIn can be a valuable tool for networking and expanding your professional reach. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to navigate to LinkedIn's website. So, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, you'll see the login fields. If you're new to LinkedIn, you might first need to sign up, but for this video, we're assuming you already have an account. Next up, logging in. You have a few options here. You can sign in with Google or Microsoft, or go the traditional route by entering your email address and password. Take whichever route is more convenient for you. If you choose to sign in with an email, just type in your details and hit sign in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn will ask you to verify your account. This usually involves receiving a code on your registered phone number, which you'll need to enter before proceeding. This is a security feature that helps protect your account, so it's definitely worth having enabled. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn feed. Now it's time to search for the person or company you'd like to connect with. Head to the top of the page and locate the search bar. This is where you'll type in the name of the person or the company. As you type, LinkedIn will suggest possible matches which you can click on to go directly to their profile. Now that you're on their profile, look around the page until you spot the connect button. Depending on the person's privacy settings, sometimes you'll need to click more to find the connect option. Clicking on connect will begin the process of sending your request. A pop-up may appear asking if you'd like to include a personalized message with your request. This is highly recommended because a personal touch shows the recipient that you've taken the time to reach out with intent, rather than sending a generic connection request. Click on add a note and then craft a brief friendly message. You might mention how you met, shared interests, or why you're interested in connecting. Keep it professional yet personable. After writing your message, the final step is to click send. And just like that, your connection request is on its way. Once your request is accepted, you'll receive a notification and can start engaging more deeply with their content or message them directly. And there you have it, folks. Sending a connection request on LinkedIn is simple and can lead to huge opportunities for networking. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.